Conversation on New Year.
Hi Fahim, what are you doing?
Hi Ayushi, I am planning for the coming new year. It's so exciting every time when New Year is almost to arrive.
Really, what's your plan for the coming new year? I've not even thought of anything yet.
It's a surprise. Tell me what will be yours this year's resolution?
Not thought of yet, but maybe not to get any more scolding from teachers. What will be yours?
Mine is to complete schoolwork before doing anything else.
That's really nice. Now tell me what else you are planning for this new year?
I was thinking of organizing a get-together of family and friends. What do you think about this?
Not a bad idea, in fact great. Nowadays, people hardly get any time to meet each other and have a word of conversation.
Yes, like this everyone meet, talk, celebrate and enjoy. It will be great fun.
I was thinking of going to some hill station this new year. But still didn't have time to have words with my papa.
This is also nice. You will have a great outing like this and a break from your daily schedule.
Yes, we all need it.
Do click great snaps over there and tell me afterwards how your experience was. I will be really waiting to hear how your New Year celebration was.
Sure. I will also be excited to hear how your get-together was. Do click great snaps so that we can share and enjoy our experiences.
খুব সহজে ভাষা শিখুন ৬,০০০ অনুশীলন ১,০০০ পরীক্ষা ১০০+ নোট শুনুন বলুন লিখুন লিংউইং